Let's talk about the referendum.
What about the referendum?
Well, you enjoyed that, didn't you?
The recent one.
Yes, of course. Yeah, sorry, the marriage referendum.
Exactly.
Did anything? I suppose first of all, did the results surprise you? It was a yes, obviously, and you were delighted about that. But the margin of victory, did that surprise you?
I suppose by the time it happened, or in the last couple of weeks, I'd say I had a sense that it would be that kind of margin. Up until that point, I was not sure. But what I certainly could see throughout the whole time of the campaign is that there was just an extraordinary building of engagement of people across sectors, identities, the youth, like has never happened before. So I believe that would have to result in that kind of margin. Yeah.
Well, what turned it? What was the kind of turning point where you thought that actually it's not going to be close here? It's going to be a landslide.
As more and more people started to tell their stories in public, and I think, and certainly also I think Mary McAleese's intervention was significant, but. For me, when I could see the numbers, particularly that the young people, the USI with Laura Harmon's leadership, registered, even in the supplementary register to vote, I said, they're not going to go to that lengths of registering and not actually get out and vote. Yeah.